Hello friends, in this video you will learn what is uses of should and should be, as well as you will learn in which condition you should use should and which condition you should use should be. So let me show you my first word, should. Should word you can use in several conditions. For example, suggestion, advice, recommendation, obligation, express your opinion, or criticizing on anyone, or talking politely. These are the several conditions where you should use should word. So let me show you some rules and example. Should word you can use with subject plus should plus verb first form. Let me show you an example. What should I do? In this sentence, I used should to ask suggestion because sometimes we face problem in our life and we cannot solve it from ourselves. So that moment we ask a suggestion from other person. So in this condition, you should use should word for asking suggestion. Like I said, what should I do? So let me go for next. You should become a doctor. I used should for giving advice. For example, I had a friend, he wanted to become a doctor, but his family did not support him. But my friend was very intelligent and he was very interested to become a doctor. So one day he asked me, what should I do? So I gave him advice, you should become a doctor. So let me go for next. You really should start eating better. In this sentence, I used should to recommend someone. For example, sometimes we love and care someone more than ours, like our mothers and father. And sometimes our mothers lie to us when we ask about eating food or taking medicine. And she says, yes, I have taken and eaten food. But in reality, she did not eat any food or she did not take any medicine. So in this condition, you can use should word. Like I used, you really should start eating better. And let me go for next. You should pray every day. In this sentence, I used should to show obligation. For example, sometimes we think some action are mandatory that you have to do in any condition, like prayer, going on duty, this type of work. So that place you can use should word for showing obligation. And let me go for next. I think we should meet him once. In this sentence, I used should to express my opinion. For example, we were the 5 friends and one friend from them who disappointed to us, and rest of the friend gathered for discuss about him. And one friend said we should not talk with him, and other friend said we should not meet him. And at the time I expressed my opinion and I said I think we should meet him once. Maybe he has some issue to break up our relationship. So in this condition, you can use should word. And let me go for next. You should not beat him. In this sentence, I used should to criticize on someone. For example, I had a friend, he beats his brother every day. So one day I said him, you should not beat your brother because he's your little brother. Here I criticized on beating his brother. So in this condition, you can use should word. And let me go for next. We should work together. We should learn from each other. In this sentence, I used should to show politeness. For example, sometimes we meet a new friend or new employee, so we talk politely because I have to convince them. So whenever you want to talk politely, so you can use should and plus verb first form. Like I used, we should work together, we should learn from each other. Or you can say we should meet him, we should talk with other, I should meet him. This type of condition where you can use should and plus verb first form. And let me show you my second word, should be. Should be can be used in two situations. First, in form of expectation, like when you expect it to happen something. And second, something should have done by other in the past. These are the two conditions where you should use should be. So let me show you some examples and rule. Should be can be used in two ways. First, should be and plus noun, and second, should be plus verb third form. First of all, I'm going to talk about should be and plus noun. Should be plus noun can be used to show expectation. For example, he should be at home. In this sentence, I use should be to show expectation, like he should be at home. In this sentence, I'm expecting like he would be at home, but in reality, I don't know he is at home or not, but only I expecting that he would be at home at this time. Let me show you my second example. She should be beautiful. In this sentence, I use should be to show expectation. For example, many persons find a goal for any purpose, like getting married or offering job. So they expect and they say she should be beautiful, she should be educated, then she will be suitable for me or for my office. And let me show you my third example. We should be in Canada next year. This sentence is also showing expectation, like we should be in Canada. In this sentence, we are expecting that we will be in Canada next year. So now I hope you have understood about should be and plus noun. And let me go my next word, should be and plus verb third form. Should be plus verb third form can be used to show work that should be completed in the past, but this time it is not completed. So let me show you some example, like he should be sent to hospital immediately. This sentence is also showing action that should be taken in the past. For example, you had a little brother and he was ill at the morning, and unfortunately you was not at home at the morning, and you come to home at the evening and you see your brother has a high fever, and then you ask your parents, why did you not send him hospital? And then here you can use should be and verb third form, like he should be sent to hospital immediately when he had a less fear. And let me show you my second example. I should be told about it. And this sentence is also showing action that should have done in the past. For example, you had a problem in your family and your mother did not tell you, and accidentally you get to know by others, and then you return to home and you ask your mother, why did you not tell me? And then here you can use should be plus verb third form, and you can use it, I should be told about it because it was very important for me. And let me show you my third example. You should be given praise for your effort. This sentence is also showing action of the past that should have done. For example, I had a friend and he performed very well in school, but nobody gave him any prize. And then I said to my friend, you should be given prize for your effort, but nobody give you any prize. So now I hope you have understood about should and should be. If you think it was helpful, please like and comment on my video.